called Meti Smart Home, which controls your home. So you could press anywhere on the screen and it goes, this is the home screen, and you can see all the rooms in your house, and you can lock the doors in the doors button, control the lights and the windows here. But of course we focused on the ACs, so we can press on the ACs and we go here. Here you can see all the rooms where you could have the ACs. So let's say you have an AC in the master bedroom. So you can see the master bedroom's temperature, that's there right now. You can see how much time you have left of the AC usage. And then we can press on the on button and it turns on. And of course we can press off, so it turns off. And so we can see all the rooms here, and if you have an AC somewhere else, it's similar to this screen. You can see the temperature in the room and you can press the on-off button. But of course, it will also automatically turn on and off depending on the temperature. If it gets too hot, it can turn off, it can turn on itself, and once the temperature is good enough, it will turn back off. So, and then we can of course go back to the home screen.
Okay, great. So, an elevator, and there is Mark Zuckerberg.
Okay.
Let's
Whoever
go.
starts.
Now.
Okay, so we made an app called Upcycling Plus. So we have these different tabs. So you can go into education. So here you can see we have articles, and we have videos. So these are like short videos you can watch within a day, so you can stay motivated and not lose interest in the app. We have the chat function, and this is our mascot. We love the magpie since they're collectors. Then we also have events, which I believe we have select location, and this basically notifies you of events in your area, such as garage sales or so on, which you can select here. Then we have projects, so these are basically what other people have done. If I can get it to work, I should, but oh well. Info is we basically just have articles that relate to upcycling and ways you can dispose of trash or waste properly. And then we have mini games for people who maybe don't have the best attention span. We have match, crossword, memory, and in our garden sales we have provided by lovely Antec, Obi-Wan Pierogi. And then we go to settings. Here you can like select your account, you can select where you live, username, admin, and all of that. And then when you're done, you can log out.
Okay, great.
That the best solution was to teach people at a young age how to recycle and to divide the different rubbish.
Yes.
So we have this robot that has a sensor and detects the different material. Yes, and it changes the color of the bin.
And he says like the material, like the the bin where you have to put that material. Yeah.
So the children can learn from this.
Okay. Ready? Okay. So let's start. Okay, go.
Okay, so our problem is plastic in ocean. So we made the robots who should clean plastic. Yes.
Clean the plastic in the ocean.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you demonstrate?
Okay.
Also, something that can be used. Yeah, yeah. Oh, almost, but in other direction.